Sahid Deepak Chingkham, among the great Indian souls who sacrificed their lives for the safety of Mother India, inscribing their names in the pages of history, Sahid Deepak Chingkham stands as one of the foremost. In his unwavering commitment to protecting the nation's integrity, he fought bravely against anti-social forces. Born in 2000 in Imphal East, Deepak Chingkham, after completing his college, joined Border Security Force in 2021. Through his exemplary service in the force, he set an unparalleled example that fills every Indian's heart with pride. A spirit of service to society adorned his human character. Deepak Chingkham, a brave and dedicated soldier, in recognition of his ultimate sacrifice and unwavering commitment to the nation, was martyred in Jammu during Operation Sindoor on 11th May 2025. As a soldier, Deepak Chingkham embodied the spirit of duty, loyalty, and patriotism. The brave soul stood tall against the challenges of his duty, protecting our borders and our people with unwavering dedication. The bravery and selflessness of Sahid Deepak Chingkham will remain an enduring source of inspiration for future generations. In honor of the sacred memory of the legendary General Bir Chilarai, whose glory of greatness and valor inspired spirit of nationalism in Assam for over 5 centuries, the Government of Assam was privileged to posthumously confer the Bir Chilarai Award for the year 2025 upon Sahid Deepak Chingkham. On behalf of the people of Assam, we extend our deepest and most respectful tribute to Sahid Deepak Chingkham for his far-reaching service encompassed with a brief but meaningful life journey.
मैं हूँ चिंगाखम सिंह और शहीद दीपक चिंगाखम के मेरे बेटा लगते थे और असम सरकार ने जो उनसे वीर चिराराई अवार्ड से सम्मानित किया है, मैं उसके परिवार के तरफ से असम सरकार के आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री श्री हेमंत बिस्वा शर्मा जी और आदरणीय सांस्कृतिक विभाग के मंत्री श्री विमल बोरा जी को धन्यवाद देता हूँ।